Hey friends, welcome. If this is your first time visiting, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Happy Thursday. I hope you're having a great week so far. And today I just wanted to share with you this really cute little project. So this was super easy. You could do this for yourself. You could do it as a gift. And I mean, you could certainly sell it also. But this came out so adorable. However, I will tell you, I used inexpensive super glue from the Dollar Tree. So if you can see, I got a little bit of super glue right here. So I would use super glue gel instead of that runny. I mean, it's actual super glue brand, but I don't know, it ran. So you can see right here where it kind of ran down, and right here it's from super glue running. So I would definitely use like the gel super glue or UV resin if you have it. Okay, but this turned out so cute. So I just used a square mold. I got this from Amazon, and I showed this in my mold collection video. And then these little magnets came from Dollar Tree. Put them on. You could use any size you want. So this is a small one, and I intentionally wanted just a little small one, but you could do any size you want. You could use this, make a thing for your shopping list. You could make, of course, a photo frame. With Mother's Day coming up, what a great present it would be. You could do, you could put something in here about like mom, and then put a photo in it. There are just so many things that you could do with this. So I just thought it was a really cute idea, and I wanted to share. And this is going on my refrigerator. All right, listen, I hope you guys have a super blessed and fabulous day. As always, I will attach the video of doing it, and I'll see you later, friends. Bye. Right, so this is one I've been wanting to make for a while. And this is just a little square. I don't think I'm going to make it, even though this isn't super thick, I don't think I'm going to make it quite as thick as this mold. If it turns out the way I'm thinking for it, this is going to be a really cute magnetic. It could be a picture holder, it could be a note holder, but it's going to be really cute. So you can use any kind of decals in this. I'm going to use this tattoo. So I'm going to use this tattoo just because, I thought it was really cute and I've been wanting to use this. So I'm going to use this. Let me go down just a little. I want this to go all the way to the bottom because I'm going to be putting a clip up here, and I don't want, so think about that when you're putting on your things, because I don't want the clip to mess up my image. So my friend, my YouTube friend, Tina from Tina Loves to Crafts, she did this. So I use tattoos all the time, but I had never thought about, like, I do paint on my molds and stuff, mica powder, all different things on the mold directly, and I never thought about putting the tattoo on the mold directly. That's what we're gonna do, because she did that in a video and it was so cute. She also likes to try lots of different fun things, which I think is so cool. Okay, so that's perfect. Now, the nice thing with this, if you can see, if I were to use it upright, the image would be fine. But also, as you can see, I got a beautiful image on the back side. You just have to be careful if you're doing things with words or things that are meant to only go this way, because the temporary tattoo is meant to go this way. But look how pretty that is. So I'm going to just let this dry, because remember, epoxy and water do not go well together. So we're just gonna let this dry for a couple minutes, and then I'm going to put some epoxy in here. And I was thinking that to bring out these yellow sunflowers, I was thinking I'd do just a hint of yellow glitter inside my clear epoxy. All right, so here's my little anchor, if you remember. And it's all nice and dry. So I'm gonna just use this cup, and I'm gonna be using, this is Cream of the Crop by Glitter Chimp. Now I don't want too much glitter in here because I don't want the project to be like just super full of glitter. I really, but I want enough glitter for it to look good. Right, let me grab some epoxy. I have it made up, but I have a big batch on my table. Give me just a second. All right, I feel like I mixed a little bit more than I need, but that's fine. I actually have something I can put that in. All right, so in just a moment, I'll let this sit for a minute, and then I'll actually spray this with a little bit of 92% alcohol to make sure there's no bubbles. All right, and then I'll bring this back to you when this is dry, and then we'll do the next part. Okay. All right, so here is our square. I didn't go completely up just because I didn't want to, but I think I'm going to end up having to, take off a little bit of edge. I feel like not going all the way. My whirligig must be outside. Well, I'll grab it when I get the rest of the pieces to put this together, and we'll do it. But I think not going up, yeah, see, not going up just all the way gives us a little bit of reg, which is no big deal. I'll pull it out. Oh my God, that is so pretty. Look at this. How beautiful is this? That turned out. Wow, that is so pretty. I love this. And I didn't realize that that yellow was going to have a little bit of a blue tone in it. As far as the glitter goes, that is so pretty. Okay, so I'll come back. I'm just going to we'll get magnets, super glue, whirligig, and a clip, and we'll put this sweet little thing together. So I've got these magnet buttons. I get these at the Dollar Tree. They come, this one's 14 pieces. There's a little bit larger set that has 12 in it. And then I get these magnet clips. And the reason why I get the magnet ones is because I like the flat surface on it. Now, they sell other ones. They still only have 4 in them. And technically, I mean, if I wanted to, I could, take the magnet out of there and use it. I don't know if the magnet will go through. Yeah, I mean, or if you want to, instead of gluing it, you could just put a magnet on the back and it'll actually hold up. And I do have some bigger magnets if I wanted to do that. And, or, if you wanted, you could always pop the magnet out and then just use, you know, the little piece. But that's why I do like the ones with the magnet, because I like them to be flat so that when I glue them. Okay, so I am just going to, oops, I scratched the back, take my whirligig. I'm just going to clean up my edges here. Make sure they're even and not sharp and pokey. All right, so that feels good. Now, I was a little bit off center with my anchor, so it is a little bit off center. I mean, you might want to pay a little bit better attention than I did, but I think it's still fine. So I'm going to start on this side, and what I'm going to do is just put magnets on the four corners. And I'm just going to super glue them. And then I'll give them a second to dry. If you have UV resin, you can also do this with UV resin. We'll give those just a second to dry, and then we'll put our other clip on. So I did want you to see it's quite easy to take the magnet out of there if you'd like to be able to save it. Just don't poke yourself. All right, so we're pretty good there. I'm gonna just turn this over just fine, let that get a little bit of, but now if you're not gonna use the magnet, then you just gotta kind of carefully make sure you get it around the edges here. And if you wanted, you could always put like some foam or something in it, glue it in, and then glue the whole thing on. All right, so in your mold, so like my mold was like this. If I wanted to, I could have always just stuck my magnets in after about 6 hours when it was still wet, but you know, not completely hard. I could have just, you know, put my magnets in, and then if I were doing the mold this way, I could have stuck this in, you know, whichever way you want. But there you go. I mean, you can see, quick and easy, super cute. You can make these any way that you know, would like to make them. And this is super cute. And, you know, you can use this to either put like a picture, or you can use it to like hold a little note. You could do any size of, you know, little mold that you want for this. But yeah, this is super, super cute, super fun, very easy. I think, you know, it'd be nice for you, a nice little gift. You could put a picture in it, especially for like Mother's Day coming up, you know, Father's Day, whatever, as a memory. You know, you go on a trip with friends or loved one, whatever, you could put a scene in that goes with that, and then put a picture of that in there. There's so many things you could do with this, and I really think that you could sell these. I think that these would probably sell, you know, pretty good also. So anyways, listen, I hope you like it. I hope you have a blessed and beautiful day. And when I do the intro for it, I will put a picture on it. Okay?